In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WP Travel Engine plugin and show you how to display the booking bar on your front page. Let's dive right in and get this set up so you can make the most out of your travel-related website. First things first, we need to install the WP Travel Engine plugin. Begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, look towards the left-hand side and click on Plugins and then select Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Travel Engine. You'll see the plugin pop up pretty quickly, so go ahead and click Install Now. Once the installation is done, make sure to hit Activate to get started. This plugin is designed specifically for travel sites, providing a comprehensive booking and itinerary management system right out of the box. Now with the plugin activated, let's create a trip. Head to WP Travel Engine in the dashboard, click Trips, and then Add New. Here, you can start adding some exciting travel offerings. You'll want to give your trip a catchy title and enter the price. It's also important to fill out the itinerary. Be as detailed as possible to entice potential travelers. Don't forget to upload some enticing images as well. Once you're satisfied with your trip details, click Publish to make it live. With your trip posted, we'll move on to enabling the booking bar. This feature makes it super easy for your site visitors to book directly. Navigate to WP Travel Engine, go into Settings, and find the Trip Pages tab. Once there, you'll see an option to show booking bar. Simply switch this on. After you've done this, always remember to hit Save Changes. These settings ensure your booking bar is ready for placement on your front page. Now we'll add that booking bar to your home page. Head to Pages from your dashboard and choose to edit your home page. Here, you'll want to add the booking functionality by pasting WP Travel Engine Search directly into the desired section. If you're using a visual builder like Gutenberg or Elementor, you can also add the WP Travel Engine search block for a more seamless integration. Once added, click Update to save your modifications. Finally, let's ensure everything is working smoothly. Visit your homepage, and you should see the booking bar in action. Give it a test by searching for a trip to see how everything functions from a user's perspective. This is a great way to ensure that your users will have a hassle-free experience when they decide to book their next adventure on your site. And there you have it, a fully functional booking bar using the WP Travel Engine plugin. With these steps, you're all set to create a dynamic and user-friendly hub for travelers. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!